Hi, welcome to the first of 6 videos. Over the course of the next 5 videos, we will be building this simple to-do app based on Flutter and Dart. This will be ideal for anyone interested in app development and coding, or those new to the subject. So let's take a look at the app. The first page of the app will display the list of to-do items. Each to-do item will have a title, which is in bold, and it will also have the priority, which is the little circle next to the title, which will either be red for highest priority, amber for medium priority, or green for lowest priority. And this list is infinite, and you can add as many to-do items as you wish. The next feature is the button at the bottom of the page. When this is pressed, it will open a new page, and this will allow users to add a title, description, and priority. The title is what will be displayed in the main list, and then once they have selected a priority, it is displayed underneath, and you can save it. The final function is the delete function. This is achieved by using a gesture detector, and it allows us to double tap to delete an item. That's it for the app. It's very simple, and it will be using databases and user interface components, which will all be covered in the coming videos. So if you're interested in this series, make sure to subscribe now to stay up to date with the latest uploads, and if you know anyone who would be interested, share this video with a friend so they can find out about it and learn alongside you. Other than that, I will see you in the next video, in which we'll be making the database and storage functionality for our app. I'll see you then.